Hello student, today we are going to do the exercise of chapter 1. Let's know the history. ये हम वर्कबुक की एक्सरसाइज यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं. ये इसका सेकेंड पार्ट है. ठीक है, जो हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट है जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तक कंप्लीट किया था. इसके बाद हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज गिव हिस्टोरिकल रीजन फॉर फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. ओके, उसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. किंग्स carved the inscription in the ancient times. In ancient times, kings got their orders inscribed carved for conserving with people. They inscribed the information for the kingdom, victories, religion, and culture on stones. The writings written on this inscription have been long lasting. Thus, in ancient times, the king carved inscription. Okay, now the second question is historians and archaeologists are the scholars who study the past. Historians and archaeologists collect the information and do research on it by categorizing data. They collect the information from the manuscript and anecdotes which are written on Tadpatras and Bhojpatras and interpret it properly. Apart from this, historians give accurate information of that time by using historical source to bring history to our life. They study historical sources. The historians and archaeologists are the scholars who study past. Okay, now the third question is coins are the important tools source to know history. The information is like the names of the king of that time, his religion and culture, as well as the period of time is found on the coins. On this basis of coins, the social, religious, economic, and political structure of that state is known. Coin have, have become useful in getting much information about the times of Greek kings, Mauryan age, and Gupta age. Thus, coins are the important tools to know history. Now, the question number 8. Answer the following questions briefly. Explain the meaning of BC. The meaning of BC is before Christ, which means before the birth of Jesus Christ. For example, 2000 BC years means 2000 years before the birth of Jesus Christ. Now, the question number second is explain the meaning of AD. The meaning of AD means Anno Domini, which means after the birth of Jesus Christ. For example, 2000 AD means 2000 years after the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, now this third question is remaining. We will do in the next video. Now, the fourth question is which information is available on the basis of coin. On the basis of coin, the information about the king's name, his religion and culture, as well as the period of time is available. Okay, social, religious, economic, and political informations are also available from the coins. Now, question number 9 is answer the following question. Why should we study history? So, history gives us information about past of human society, the information about our ancients, their dwelling, their food, etc., is found in the study of the history. Based on the many important things of their life, the information about changes in the life of human have been found in our country history. History gives us the information about the customs and belief, diet, and races of human life of many ages. So, we should study history to know the past of human life. Now, the second question is how is our country named Bharat and Bharat? Our country name India and Bharat. Our country is known by two names, India and Bharat. The India is derived from Indus, which is called Sindhu in Sanskrit language. The Iranians call Indus river as Indus and the Greek as Indus. Okay, the east bank of Indus river was known as India by Iranians. After a long time, our country was known from the Ring Veda. A group of people named Bharat came and settled in the northwestern India. By their name, our country is known as Bharat. Okay. The third question is how do historians and archaeologists study history? To know the history, historians and archaeologists research information. They explore and dig out the historical sources to find out the remains of the houses, coin, bricks, tool, implements, stones, implements, tools, food samples, the bone of the human and animals, etc., and they study them. They inform us about the culture of that time. Historians collect the data by categorizing the historical sources they find and properly described it. In this way, the archaeologists and historians bring the past to our life. ओके तो ये चैप्टर के जो सारे क्वेश्चंस आंसर है एक्सरसाइज हो अब बुक की फर्स्ट चैप्टर के यहाँ पे ख़त्म होती है. प्लीज़ अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. थैंक यू.